DC. They did a rocking movie this year.
Yeah.
No, I'm not singing it. Thomas Carey.
So welcome to the camp of Bill Richards Racing. The main car of our fleet is our Mini Traveller, Bessie. Bessie started life off as a Mini in 1979. Space frame, full space frame. Then we put a Metro body on it. Mainstay of our car is this steel shell Mini. Runs a twin cam engine. It's no slouch, but it's currently doing quite a few championships. It's a fabulous car. So, and that's about the story. And I work at Lydden, I'm the chief instructor here, so I've done more laps around Lydden than anybody else in the country. So, you know, it makes for a good stead with the cars that we've got. That's the story of Bill Richards Racing.
Okay, so these are the track loads we do. That's, didn't give you a leaflet. Yeah. And And if you're interested, either on the website or just go to that number down there. Okay?
Yeah.
We hope to see you here one day. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks for having us, Baz. Thanks, man. Thank you. All right. Thank you, guys. Have a lovely day. See you all soon. Bye-bye.